Hi, my name is Rachel Brooks, and today I'm going to talk about how you can get your preschooler to eat more fruits and vegetables. So in this comic, if you're a parent, you probably experienced something like this with your child before. In the first frame, the mom is saying, "Try this, Marvin, it's really good for you." She's got a bowl here of something that looks green, and he's looking at it like, "What is this?" And then we see in the second frame, he is throwing it to the floor, and finally he says, "Eating healthy stuff is number 5 on my to-don't list." So like I said, if you're a parent and you have small children, this is probably something that you have experienced before, because we all know that what most of our kids want to eat is something like this. They like pizza, they like cookies, they like pretzels and cereal, and they like all sorts of snacks that we are learning are not very healthy for their bodies. What they really should be eating are foods like these, fruits and vegetables. We've learned that these fruits and vegetables offer so many benefits for our children. So why should they be eating more fruits and vegetables? What are these benefits that we're talking about? Well, first of all, they can help children maintain a healthy body weight. We're seeing many children these days who are overweight or obese, and typically they aren't eating fruits and vegetables when they are overweight. Another good thing about this is it can boost their self-esteem. Children who eat more fruits and vegetables will also avoid illness and disease now and later in life. They will perform better in school. And one other benefit is that it could improve the healthcare crisis that we are seeing in this day. And these are just a few of the benefits as to eating fruits and vegetables. So in 2008, a pilot study went underway to test a garden-based curriculum in preschools, and the objective was to get more children to eat fruits and vegetables. 103 Texas children between the ages of 3 and 5 participated in this study. Of those children, 28% were overweight or obese. Oddly enough, only 3% of those children's parents perceived their preschooler as being overweight. So not only do we have a growing problem of the number of children who are overweight or obese, but we as parents are not recognizing it. So you're probably asking yourself, what can I do? This is a problem and that needs to be addressed. But many parents, especially with small children, are just thinking, how on earth am I going to get my preschooler to be eating more fruits and vegetables? So I want to share just a few ideas with you to help your kids start eating more fruits and vegetables. Offer raw fruits and vegetables as snacks. And if you've tried this before and your kids don't like it, maybe you could try making fun shapes or creatures out of fruits and vegetables. You could see in the picture on the right that there's a variety of little bug animals here that are all made up of fruits and vegetables and dip to kind of hold it together. Another idea is to allow your kids to dip vegetables in hummus or some other sort of bean dip. Sometimes that will make it much more appealing to little children. You could also do kebabs, fruit or vegetable kebabs. Just skewer the fruits and vegetables, and that makes it that much more fun for little kids to eat. And another idea would be to make fruit dip out of cashews and dates. You could cream that together and they will probably eat many more fruits if they can dip it in something that's nice and tasty. Another thing that will greatly help your child is by cutting back on the sugary and salty snacks. Because like we mentioned earlier, our kids like those sugary and salty snacks, so they know that if they're going to get these snacks, that they don't actually have to eat them fruits and vegetables, because there's going to be some delicious snacks coming at some point during the day, and they will hold back on eating something good while they wait for some of these more sugary and salty things that their taste buds like, and their brains like, but their body really doesn't benefit from them. So cutting back on those would greatly benefit your child, and you might recognize that they do really like fruits and vegetables once these other snacks are removed from their diet. One of my favorite things is playing pretend at mealtime. You'd be amazed how much broccoli your child might eat if they are a dinosaur pretending to eat a tree. They also may like to pretend to be a superhero at dinner time, or breakfast, any time of the day, and the superhero might need some super green speed or something like that to give them their superpowers, so they might eat their fruits and vegetables just by playing pretend. Another idea is to have them pretend to be an animal, like a rabbit eating carrots, and they would eat more fruits and vegetables. I think you'd be surprised. And one last idea is to create a fruit and veggie reward chart. You could come up with any reward or any simple chart. You can find some online and see, make it your own. What is your child driven by? What reward could they receive for eating a certain number of fruits and vegetables per day, per week, or per month? It's up to you. So good luck, and thank you so much for listening.